mar the OD of this material. Using a regular 3-draw chuck, you see these grooves in here?
Mm-hmm.
When I tighten them, it's going to clamp on here,
Mm-hmm.
and you're going to see the impressions.
Okay.
There's 2 things I can do.
Mm-hmm.
This is a 3-draw chuck, but it's a 2-piece 3-draw chuck. These draws come off,
Uh-huh.
and I can flip them around, but also they come off, and I can put what is called soft jaws.
Uh-huh.
Now, soft jaws doesn't mean they're aluminum. It means they're machinable.
Okay.
And sometimes you put a soft jaw in here, you machine the shape that you need for little parts or intricate parts.
Mm.
And although I have lots of soft jaws,
Mm.
I don't have one that I feel comfortable using for this job.
Okay.
So I have scrap pieces of acetal. This is acetal.
Uh-huh.
Acetal comes in what they call natural, which is a white or beige color, and they dye it and it's black.
Mm-hmm.
I found out a long time ago, a lot of people are using the wrong plastics for their job.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's very important. People use UHMW, ultra high molecular weight. They call it the poor man's Teflon.
Okay.
It's not good for everything. Teflon's a wonderful product. UHMW is wonderful. But if you have something that you want to keep its shape and its size, UHMW doesn't work. If you make it a press fit, within 24 hours, it's loose. It doesn't hold. But acetal is perfect for this job. And this wedge shape that you see is what's left over from a big circle that I had to make. I didn't recycle this because you cannot recycle acetal.
No.
But I'm coming over here, and I have many templates.
Yes.
So I'm just going to get something that's too big. Uh-oh. I have a bunch of little ones here. So
Yeah.
I'm going to have to go through these.
Mm-hmm.
And all I'm going to do, it's a whole lot easier. I could use a compass
Yeah.
and make a circle.
But easier that way.
I can just open this up. And I have many templates. I can go far bigger. Look at this. I have an oval, a rectangle,
Yeah.
a square.
Yeah, you have painted
I have
that.
plenty.
Uh-huh.
I think maybe this one. I can go bigger. I'm going to go as big as I can.
Mm-hmm. That one.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
That's pretty good.
Uh-huh.
So all I'm going to do is trace it, take it to the bandsaw,
And then
cut it, and then I'll put it in a 3-draw chuck, and I'll make it so that this fits in here. You want me to come and get you when I'm doing the cutting? You're welcome to hang around.
Okay.
I don't want people to be bored. Stay there. I have to get my scriber. This is a carbide scriber. So there's nothing precision about this. Not this part of the job. I'm just going to make a little circle here showing where, in case I move this, where I started.
So that is gonna be your tool.
This is going to be a bushing, bushing. What I'm going to do is bore it. Bore means make a big hole in it. Now, I can see that. I'm going to bore it to 1 5/8, the same as the material.
Uh-huh.
And then I'm going to put a gap in it
Okay.
so that when I
Okay.
tighten it, it closes and has a good grip.
Yeah,
Because
that's a good
if I
idea.
don't put a gap in it, it's just not going to work.
Okay.
So now I'm going to put the transformer on, because this is a 3-phase saw. And I have to raise this up a little bit. That's plenty. Because it's plastic, I can go a lot faster.
Uh-huh.
This saw is pretty high and I'm pretty short. So I like to stand up. And this hose blows air on it. Now if you can come close, you can see how beautifully that cuts.
Yeah.
It's a very coarse blade on here. It's a bimetal blade, which means
Faster.
it's 2 blades welded together, 2 different metals. Now, I'm trying. This light won't stay put. Now, it's a shame that this material cannot be melted and reused,
Yeah.
but the people that sell this material told me it is not a recyclable product.
Yeah, you have plenty of that.
Yes. I always keep the corners when I'm making a plastic circle, because I don't believe in throwing away material that could possibly have a use. Now this material is 3 inches. It's 3 inches this way. And if you come back over to the chuck, turn around and look, please. Stop. The jaw is 3 inches long.
Okay.
So this is the accurate part. This part will not even touch. But all I have to do now is open it up. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to hold on to some of it, but not all of it. And I'm going to make it round on the outside diameter. Then I'm going to flip it around and make it round.
Yeah.
Blend it the best. Now it's not going to end up perfectly round. And I don't care, because as you can see, you see this? Come closer.
Yeah.
This goes lower, so I'm actually only holding on to this. So as long as I don't hold on to too much material, it'll be fine.
Okay.
That looks like it's pretty good. Now, I'm not trying to make it any particular size, just round. It looks like that saw blade. Well, it's also the material. Yeah, the material's not perfectly round either. This is close enough. So I'll just tighten it, and then I'll machine it. Now it's going to wobble like crazy. There's really not much to see over here. This is
You're looking for the
proper tool.
Oh.
Well, I must have taken it out to. Yeah, here it is. I can use this one though. It's not the one I would have selected, but it's fine. That will do me. Okay. I'm just going to trim the face. It's really not that important. And I'm going to take this around to protect my handsome face. Just to make it square. Now I know I'm going to be boring it, so I really don't have to go too close to the middle. That's plenty. Now let me see. This surface is called a face. That face is fine. So now, before I turn it, I want to go as close to the chuck jaw as I can without hitting it. So with the machine not running, I'm looking here at these numbers and I'm saying, okay, I can take it to 1 and 2. I know how far I can take it. And I'm just going to take about 50 thousandths and see where I end up. You see where it's real smooth?
Yeah.
But it didn't even hit here. So we're going to take it a little bit more.
A little bit more.
We'll take it another 50 thousandths. I want to leave it as big as I can. I don't think this will do it either, but that's okay, a little bit at a time. It helps having a white wall. It reflects the light.
Yeah.
I can see where I am.
Yeah, because the wall is white.
Let's have a look again.
Wow.
One little spot.
Very smooth now.
So I think I'm still going to go a little bit more. That's
More.
fine. Just a little bit more. I'm still going to go 50. And this should be the last. Now, even though this is plastic, believe it or not, plastic can cut you.
Yeah.
So I'm going to deburr it. I'm going to run it in reverse And this is a wood lathe tool.
The bear.
I'm just going to go deeper. Just put a little radius. That's all. That's all I need. Now, a lot of people don't know, but when they buy a 3-jaw chuck, a good 3-jaw chuck will have a reference. Come here, I'll show you. You see that 0?
Uh-huh.
Sometimes I'll have a star or some kind of mark, and that tells you to tighten this one first.
Okay.
And you put this in here, take this down, give myself plenty of room. Now I'm going to make it snug. This is a very accurate chuck, very accurate.
But
Unlike the little
very
one,
heavy too.
it's heavy, yes. But it's
Small but
I
heavy.
paid a lot of money for this 43 years ago.
Wow.
Now,
43
let's
years.
see how good it's running. Watch it make a layer out of me. Now, it has always been, oh my, I have to tighten this and shorten it. Okay. Of course, I put the tool for this away. Well, I hate to take your time. If you'll stay put, I'll be back in a second.
So how many of this?
2.
Two of this. Wow.
Now, all I'm doing is adjusting this dial indicator just to show off.
It's very heavy too.
Of course it is.
Pure.
It's stainless steel.
Solid.
It's very solid.
Yeah.
You want to come and see what we're doing here?
Okay.
When you're using a dial indicator, you always try to put it perpendicular to what you're trying to measure. Let's see. I'm getting about 3/1000ths of an inch. With a 3-jaw chuck, if you can get within 5, it's miraculous. Now, sometimes what you can do is you can loosen it and try it on another spot. Let me take it back to the reference and see. Also, you can tighten the other pinions to make sure. Actually, I made it worse. When you get 3/1000ths of an inch on a 3-jaw chuck, you really can't hope for better than that. That's as good as it's going to get.
Okay.
But it's very, very good. Nothing to complain about. I'm going to do the face again. This time, take it all away. where I machine the other side. So I'm going to take it to the same. Come here and look.
Wow.
It's not a perfect blend, but it's very close.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to turn it in reverse. Now what I can do is bore it out and put an expansion, an internal, what would you call it? I have tools that you can ID. They're in the cabinet. I have to dig it out.
Okay.
In fact, I might do that. It's got a slight taper to it. You can put it in and lock it, and I can turn the entire outside diameter so that there's no seam.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm going to do that.
Okay.
But right now, with what I have, I'm going to put a bore in here.
Okay.
Now, let me show you something. These are called lathe mandrels. This is one of the ways of doing what I said. This is 1.5 inches. One end is a tiny bit, about the amount of a human hair, bigger than the other end.
Okay.
So when I push this in here, it'll get tight, 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 and it'll lock up.
Ah.
And then I put a center in here, in here, or I'll actually hold on to here, put a center in here, and then the whole outside diameter will be one size,
Okay.
and it'll be very accurate.
Okay.
So that's what I'm going to do. Those shafts are 1 5/8. This is 1.5 inches. It's 1/8 of an inch smaller than my finished size. So this is what I'm going to do.
Okay.
So now, before I go any further, I want to put these templates away so that I know where they are the next time. I don't like leaving tools out.
I know.
But sometimes customers are rushing me and I don't have the time to put them away.
There.
I know. I'm not finished. Thank you. You're worried that I'm going to miss it? I'm not going to miss it. Okay. And I'm just going to put it back over here
Okay.
with these other templates. And what I'm going to be doing now is boring.
Yes.
Not just boring like, see?
Ah.
Not
Forget
just boring
one.
because you're going to get tired of watching it,
Yeah.
but boring because that's what you call it when you're working
Bore.
inside a bore.
Bore. Okay. Oh, be careful.
Yes.
Bore. Boring. Sounds the same.
Well, it is almost the same.
Oh, this one is different also. This one is different job.
I don't know what it is from here.
This. This is different job, right?
Yes, that's another job. I have plenty of work right now.
Okay.
Okay, I hate to say, see you later.
Yeah.
See you later.
Goodbye. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.